Alright. Hello everybody. It is the Stick here from Drift Legacy, and today I'm going to unbox this, and this looks to be the go-kart transmission that I ordered online, as you can see there, eBay. And the reason I ordered this is because I'm a bit lazy. I'm building a go-kart and I want it to have reverse, you know? And so this, hopefully, is the answer to that. So, let's get straight into it then. So, I ordered this off of eBay. And, I'm not sure there's really much else to say about that. Just ordered it off eBay. So, you know, let's see what's inside. Alright, so, got this protective wrapping, got a box, got the actual transmission here, looking really nice. Got some bracket mounting plate stuff going on. Got the actual shift lever thing here. So this one goes like that, I believe. It's quite cool. See at the top there, it says DNR, so drive, neutral, reverse. Anyway, we got some cables for all of that, and there's the wrapping, piece of styrofoam. So yeah, cable, this shift lever thing here, we already talked about that. The cable goes into that, by the way, if you didn't already know. Here's the actual transmission. That looks nice. That's currently in gear as well. So that's forward. But yeah. From what I've heard on the internet, if you get one of these, you got to tighten up these bolts around here, because apparently they're not all tight yet. So I'll do that, and then you got to put in your oil in here. See what's in there. Smells like it's already had stuff in there, so that's interesting. It's quite oily already. Anyway, mounting brackets here. This one, I believe, goes either there or somewhere else. Something like that, I don't know. It's just a mounting bracket. Figure that out when I have to mount it. This box, I'm hoping, is full of all the other stuff that we need. Looks like it is. We've got bolts. Another one of those bolts. Another one of those bolts. Here's our, I think this is the small sprocket that should slide onto that. Right there. Yep. Got a keyway. Interesting. It's not the bestly cut there. It's got a bit of sharpness on the edge, but it fits, at least, so that's always a good thing. I don't know what that is, but that's on there. Big bolt. Got a bunch of smaller nuts and bolts in there. We got some mounting stuff here. So this one, judging by those things, looks like it's for this. Got this one as well. That's probably for the bottom. And yeah, then it's just a bunch of other nuts and bolts there. So that looks to be all that's included. From what I know, this goes on here, and that's how you select your gear. So now it's in neutral. That's reverse. What's that? That's still reverse. That's still reverse. Neutral. And the other one, which I can't get to. Forward. There we go. So yeah, forward, neutral and reverse. So if you want reverse on your go-kart, this is how you get it. This is the answer. Forward, neutral and reverse. Not really sure what else to say. That fits on there nicely. Turns. But yeah, to be honest, I just ordered the cheapest one off eBay, so I'm quite happy that everything's here, because you know there's always that worry that everything isn't actually going to be there. But yeah, well, that's the unboxing. I guess when it comes to actually putting this thing on to the go-kart, I'll let you guys know, and I'll do a video about that, how I mount it up. So thanks for watching this. The answer to having a reverse on your go-kart. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope you have a nice day. Bye-bye.